Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download and install Village Cities add-on on Minecraft Bedrock. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Minecraft Bedrock Edition and go to the Marketplace. Once the Marketplace loads, click the search icon and search for Village Cities. When the add-on appears in the search results, open it to view its details. If you don't already own it, purchase the add-on using Minecoins. I won't install this add-on, but I'll demonstrate the process using another add-on. The installation and activation steps are exactly the same, so you can follow along and use the same method for this add-on as well. After completing the purchase, the buy button will change to a download button. Click download and wait for the add-on to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, you can activate it here, or in an existing world or a new world. To use it in an existing world, go back and click play, then select the world you want to use, then click the edit button next to that world. Scroll down to behavior packs, open the My Packs section, find the Village Cities add-on and click activate. After that, load your world and the add-on will be enabled. If you want to use it in a new world, click create new world. Before creating the world, scroll down to behavior packs, open My Packs, select the Village Cities add-on and click activate. Then finish creating your world as usual. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download and install Village Cities add-on on Minecraft Bedrock. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!